I'm assuming that your company's providing leads. Tell them that you've increased your goals, that you'd like them to increase your lead flow immediately.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Level Up Podcast with myself, Greg Harrelson. This is where I focus on taking you from agent to entrepreneur. As you know, I have a passion for developing agents. And on today's episode, I'm going to share another quick strategy on how you can increase your production. I'm going to be real, so you be ready. Let's level up.
Hey, it's Greg Harrelson here, and I want to talk with you about increasing your commissions over the next 90 days. I think all of us, especially this time of the year, would love to figure out how can we put some more properties under contract before the holidays, especially in the next 90 days before the end of this calendar year. So I just kind of wanted to give you a few tips. I'm thinking of two things that we could be doing right now. In the next 90 days, number one, I would say increase your lead flow. Now, there's a few ways you can do that. You can do that by self-generation. FSBOs, expires. Not everyone wants to make those kind of calls, but you can do that. That's one way. Or you can tell your company, I'm assuming that your company's providing leads. Tell them that, hey, look, you've increased your goals, that you'd like them to increase your lead flow immediately. Do that. If a company, I'm assuming your company's giving you leads. So if they're giving you leads, a company's always looking for motivated agents who are excited and full of energy, ready to take these calls. So if you tell them, you've got a new commitment between now and the end of the year, I bet you they'll increase your lead flow. If you're not getting lead flow, you may want to just reach out to me. I can give you some more information about that. The second thing I would be doing is you've got to use this simple script. It's a simple script for every lead you get. So let's assume it's a buyer lead, an online buyer lead, comes in. I want you to say this. Hey, thank you for, reaching out. I just, I noticed that you were inquiring about ABC Street. And I wanted to ask, would you like to take a look at that this afternoon or maybe sometime tomorrow? Which would be better? In other words, my strategy is set the appointment during the first sentence, within the first sentence of you talking to that lead. So you get a lead, an email notification, you got a new lead or a text communication. You call them up, say, hey, John, hey, it's Greg Harrelson. Introduce your company. Hey, it's Greg Harrelson with blank company. I saw that you inquired about that property over on XYZ Street. Great property. And I was just kind of curious. Are you interested in taking a look at that this afternoon or maybe sometime tomorrow? Use that simple script. You will set twice as many appointments if you set the appointment or go for the appointment in the first sentence. You'll double the amount of appointments you're getting. If you double the amount of appointments you get, guess what? You'll double your income. You'll double the commissions because it's a domino effect. The more leads you have, the more appointments you set, the more contracts you write, the more properties close, transactions close. So it's simple. Those are the things that I'd be focusing on right now. If you want to increase your revenue in commissions in the next 90 days, go increase your lead flow and ask every person if they're looking to look at that property,